Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your wallet account from the One Inch Wallet app. So let's get started right away. Now this will only work if you have more than one account imported within the One Inch Wallet app. So open up the One Inch Wallet application on your device, and after you log in using your biometrics or your PIN code, you will be taken into the homepage. From here, if you tap on the drop-down button alongside your current wallet, then you will see all of the wallets that have been connected within the application. You can cycle between them by tapping on your desired wallet. Now, if you wish to remove any wallet that you have added, then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner and then tap on My Wallets. This will then show you all of the wallets that you have connected to your account. Now, in order to remove any, tap on the edit icon at the top right corner and then tap on the trash can icon alongside the wallet that you wish to delete. You will then be warned that you will need to save your recovery phrase if you wish to access your wallet later in the future. Make sure that you have saved your recovery phrase and then tap on I have saved my recovery phrase. Finally, this will unlock the delete button, which will allow you to delete this wallet from the app. But this doesn't mean that your wallet account has been deleted. You can log back into this wallet account at any time by using your recovery phrase. Now, to confirm, just tap on delete and proceed forward, and this wallet will be removed from your One Inch Wallet app. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to remove any wallet from the One Inch Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.